Hello everyone, welcome back to another video my friends. So in this time the Kishu is completely going wrong. My friends, I can't believe these changes of the Kishu, my friends. Unbelievable changes occur in the Kishu. You can see here that my friends Kishu is completely going down. So I know my friends it is a bad time of the Kishu, but remember every bad time, after every bad time there is a good time my friends. So now I know at this time the price of the Kishu is completely going down. So this is a great opportunity for the short-term investor my friends. Short-term investor wake up in the market because the Kishu price is this time is going completely down. So that's the opportunity for all of you to buy more and more Kishu my friends. And absolutely when the price pump you get profit from the Kishu my friends. So I think it's a good time to buy Kishu my friends. Anyways, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so I think you have to subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos my friends. Anyways, you can see here, let me show you the price chart of the Kishu. You can see here my friend that very bad my friend, that is last one day, last 24 hours price update of the Kishu. In the last 24 hours the Kishu price is very badly going down, negative 10.4%. the price falls down. You can see here in the previous time the price very badly dumps. You can see here that's really a bad time of the Kishu my friends. So my friends, at this time I really recommend for all of you, if you are a holder of the Kishu, so I recommend for all of you to please hold. Don't decide to sell my friends, please hold it my friends. That's really a good news for all of you to hold my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about the Kishu? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.